Lakteche ma hospital ma Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital oriwore kod jowadgi ma hospital maduong' ma Kenyatta e ng'anyo ne tich kendo siro ng'anyo mar lakteche ma dhi nyime pacho ka seche mowuoyeni. E twak margi kod jofwambo e kar thieth ma KUTRH gikoni piny owacho kosedewo ywak mar jochiw thieth kendo giduto giriwore mar sundo piny owacho kuom tamore winjo ywakgi.
After we leave meeting our members, we proceed to meet the management and tell them that we need the CBA finalized and signed. And it does mean that we are enemies. It means that we just want our issues to be sorted. We just want results for the strike that we gave. And there's no amount of victimization, there's no amount of intimidation that will shatter our resolve. So yes, we are friends and we'll engage to ensure that these issues are resolved. And unless they're resolved, we'll continue on the strike. Because there's friendship and there's work. Tomorrow we will be demonstrating in Eldoret, where we will be putting petitions to the county government and to the CS who will be there tomorrow. So I think the doctors in Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital and in North Rift will be delivering the petition there.